Salted jackfruit roti is one of the best recipes to remember when you crave to eat warm snacks in the cold, rainy weather. So let us learn how salted jackfruit rotis are prepared. Welcome back to my channel Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. Raw jackfruits are stored in a container by adding rock salt. These jackfruits are used to prepare rotis here. Wash the jackfruit and soak for an hour or two and wash them repeatedly for 5 to 6 times. Then squeeze the water with maximum strength in order to remove the excess salt and water content from the jackfruit. Grind in the mixer jar or grinder, but do not add water. To this, add 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 to 3 teaspoons of jeera, chopped curry leaves, and add salt only if it's required. Grind it till the batter forms a ball. If not, add rice flour and grind them. Then transfer it to a bowl and knead well. Make equal sized balls and pat them into round shape in banana leaves. Cook them on hot iron tawa on both the sides. Serve with a dollop of butter. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for your notifications.